Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Guess what we're doing?
We're doing exactly the same thing we've been doing for the past 6 videos.
I think it was 6. But it probably felt like 6. Oh, the boxes are gonna fall. Oh shit. I almost knocked over boxes. But don't worry, I saved them. Okay.
Well, we've ruined our chances with,
Yeah.
what's her name? Purple Hair McGee.
Purple hair McGee.
No, she's the best one.
Yeah, but she's so childish.
Her pink hair is charming. She's the cutie pie girly of the game. She
Yeah.
quarrels with her brother too much.
They don't get anything for the yellow ones, so fuck them. Yeah. Well, you can just kill her brother and that'd be alright.
No.
It was,
I killed your
complete
brother,
accident.
baby. That was a complete accident.
He did it himself.
He walked into my axe blade.
He fell backwards onto my axe.
As I was swinging it into the area his face was occupying.
Yeah.
Is she up here?
Yep.
Yeah. Hey, yo, bitch. Yeah, oh goddamn, why did I fucking click on her? Thank you. Okay, cool. We're gonna sex now?
I think you've got to wait a day or something. I don't know. You should have money, though, from those seeds.
Hopefully, and hopefully is a word now. Hope and probably mixed together. Probably, but hope. So I don't know how do I money?
Go to your toolbox and see if there's anything.
I don't.
What could be in the toolbox?
Nothing. Cool. So how do I check monies?
You have
530 G.
530.
Alright, go buy us seeds.
Can you take your potatoes now?
My taters.
Your taters, yeah.
No. Fucking take 12 years to grow, man.
That should call you down.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Have you watered them yet today?
No.
Man, this marrying girls thing is a really tough business.
It's actually pretty damn easy. Compared to real life.
Yeah, but like, you have to go and run around and find your flowers.
Fidgety's balls.
Sorry, I advised you poorly on the potpourri.
It's okay.
It's okay, you're the one who wants to marry her.
Hmm?
You're the one who wants to marry her. Like, more than we do.
Well, if you want to marry someone else, you can. She's just...
No, we've already given this girl like 8 million flowers.
The nurse is also pretty easy, but she's further away.
Oh, it's fucking closed on Tuesday. Fuck her. You piece of shit.
Don't forget, Thanksgiving is in 4 days. You need to have a sweet. You need to give a dessert to potpourri.
I'm gonna go to bed.
What a waste of a day. You woke up at 6 a.m. and you're going to bed before noon.
And it'll be fucking 8 o'clock before I get home. Took me 45 minutes to run 20 feet.
Ooh.
There's nothing I can
Mary.
do. What?
Mary is the nurse. Or no, not the nurse. Mary works somewhere. She's the librarian. She likes those poisonous mushrooms.
Eat a massive white thing. Yeah. Okay. Are these ready now? They're not ready yet, though, are they?
Might be. I don't know. You can't take them out, can you?
Oh, they're ready.
Farming like a boss here now.
Yeah.
I should get you some money though.
Yeah. Cool.
Go get flowers.
Yeah. I suppose. I see our amount of excitement here has faded.
You know what's coming. It's the same thing over and over and over. That's what this game is.
That's what Japanese games are, man. Here's a mechanic. Repeat this 800 million times. Game over.
Dubstep remix of the Harvest Moon.
That's fine.
What is that?
What is
A
this thing?
ladybug.
Is it a ladybug? Damn
Yeah.
it is. Yep.
All right.
Ah, yes.
Ah, yes.
Yes. Yeah.
What will you do after springtime?
Go to bed for a month and a half.
What is what's her name do in the summer?
I don't know.
A month equals 3 months. Wait now, what time is it? Fuck.
Uh,
I missed her by like
you won't do it. You can probably catch her.
0.4 of a second. Yo, fuck. Hey, yo. Yeah, why? Hey, wait.
Don't throw it. May
Oh,
as well
she's
wait.
Gone. She's gone. Crazy Japanese bitches is running at 800 million miles an hour. I like 800. I like the number 800 million. Leave me alone.
Pink hair.
I caught up to her somehow.
Pink hair Japanese women.
Yo. Okay, I'm gonna stand in front of the door.
Kill Rick.
Okay. Take this. I can't give it to her. I can't move. Okay. Okay, take this. Okay. Okay. That's cool. That's good. Good that you like stuff.
Oh. No, never mind. I thought something was gonna happen.
I was hoping something would happen because this is getting fucking boring as balls. So if you tell her to like go fuck herself, oh I should buy seeds, then does that mean that she won't want to do anything for the rest of the game?
Maybe. Christine, did we ruin our chances with her?
No. I'm trying to find something about that. There's nothing there.
There's people who are screaming at us.
Do this!
Why didn't you do that? That's what you sound like, internet. Does you?
No, it's not. The internet is... What is this?
I'll bring the money next time. Next time? Yeah. Next time. I'll get you next time, Gadget. Next time. Is he gone? You sold our credit again.
You sold on credit again.
Yeah, you're a pushover.
Um...
That's him.
Hey,
Hey!
I'll take this. Put it on my tab. Oh, that thing. Okay, yeah, next time.
Say,
Say, aren't you the guy
Uh,
from the anus farm?
What's wrong? You don't look good, Dad.
You should pay. Ha ha ha.
It's okay. Duke! Oh, God. You should pay when you buy something. Okay. I can't escape it. What?
You escaped?
I can't escape?
I can't escape.
I see now. Thanks for the help. You own the Anus Farm. My name's Karen. Nice to meet you. What a bitch. Yep.
Her head is big. Can I put this on credit?
Okay.
No.
No!
Oh, Potpourri likes weeds.
What?
She likes weeds?
Yes, you don't need to go all the way to the match.
She really likes weeds?
Yeah.
Fuck.
She loves weeds? As much as the flowers?
Apparently. That's one of the cheats.
That is weird. Oh yeah, turnip.
Also, if Potpourri ever gives you an egg, you should hatch it and then name the chicken Potpourri. It'll give you tons of heart levels.
Fuck off, man. Why
What is
can't you
wrong
just
with the
leave?
store owner?
Why can't you just leave? Oh my god, go away! You have to talk to him for like a year and a half before you can freaking leave the store.
I think there's something seriously wrong with that guy.
He needs to fucking take like depression pills or
Go
something.
the other way
Yeah.
and give Potpourri
What
weeds.
the fuck is this thing? Oh, it's
Sign.
a clusterfuck sign.
Signpost.
Give her goddamn weeds. I wish that worked in real life.
Here's some weeds.
Give a girl 15 weeds and then she'll want to go out with you.
Ooh, dandelions.
But you can only give her 2 a day.
You can give her multiple ones a day.
Oh yeah, because we're not dealing with them asshole flowers anymore.
Yeah. Just rip them off your farm.
Now all the way out here again.
Down there.
Oh yeah. I knew that.
God, it's like you've never played this before.
I didn't.
Oh.
I'm a different Aaron than the last several episodes.
She might not even be here anymore.
Sure, she better be. She has nothing else to do but walk back and forth in her kitchen all day.
Rick's gone. Thank you.
I don't think she liked them. I see a purple heart. There's a purple
Talk
heart
to her
there.
again.
No, she'll want to do something right now. Oh.
You missed out on that opportunity.
Do you like farming? For me, it's boring. She has a fucking crazy ass heart on the go.
Yeah, she's got a purple heart now.
This is a secret, okay? What is? What is the secret? She likes me.
She just did something.
Did what?
I don't know. Maybe she farted and I was like, this is a secret. It was you, okay?
That's a secret, okay?
This is a secret just for you. Oh, thank you, Potpourri.
Just for you, baby. Oh. Do you like...
Plant your seeds.
I gotta go get my seeds. They're in here.
Well, I'm going through like the first 25 things you should do in the game. We did like 2 of them.
Oh.
Well,
Familiarize
why
yourself
you-
with the surroundings, gather some
You just put your
tools.
seeds in your toolbox.
oh, did I?
Yeah.
You need to go to Barley's
Oh.
farm the next time you get a chance. I'll give you the horse.
I'll
Oh.
give you a horse.
Yeah.
What an asshole.
Riley brings the horse to your farm. Your objective is to plant many fields of grass. Plan this well so your grass does not conflict with your other crops. A suggestion would be to start your grass stash in the bottom corner of your farm and work out towards there. Get 800G to have enough money for a brush because you need to talk to the horse and brush the horse every day.
Well, I need to get enough money for a brush first. Otherwise, the horse is gonna disown me or just to give me a divorce.
The horse should kill you if you do something wrong.
Switch your tools, asshole.
You should actually kill you.
Oh, those blue plants I think are important.
Yeah, now they have some level of importance.
Yeah. Look for blue medicine plant as it is one of the more profitable mountain harvests. One is up the stairs and the other is near Gotz's house. Place them in
There
your
you go.
rucksack. Take a bamboo shoot while you're at it. Now your rucksack and hands should be full. Run back to the farm and put your harvest into the shipping bin. Oh, we can put flowers and stuff in the shipping bin for money.
Yeah, but the day is only like 8 seconds long, so. Why is everything a multiple of 8 with me? 9 seconds long.
You've already said 8.
I'm out of water.
Go get more.
Yeah, so Karen's probably gonna like do something immoral probably. Next
What?
time. Not Karen. Fucking Potpourri.
Oh.
Yay, potpourri.
But she has a purple heart.
Does she?
Yeah.
Woo!
I'll take the produce that is in the bin. And leave nothing.
Are you gonna plant all those seeds?
Yeah, man. Gonna have a fuckload of turnips.
Yeah, they suggest only planting turnips at the start because they have a quick turnover. Oh well.
Plant potatoes later.
It'll take like 8 years.
Yeah,
Huh?
but you get more money.
Yeah, but fuck money.
If
Well-
you're planting like a full field full of potatoes, you may as well. You'll get lots of money then.
Yeah, but then it'll take 1,200 million years for me to get anything.
No, it won't.
I'll have to farm hut the shit out of it.
Ha ha ha!
Uh,
I get it.
How are we doing?
5.
Okay. We're doing alright. How's everyone at home doing? That's good. If bad, then I didn't mean to say good. Because
You're in the first year.
yeah,
7th of spring, first year.
that's when I last saved.
Oh, we
Oh.
should probably start mining too, hey?
You can
Yeah.
mine?
Yeah, you
more.
get money from mining stuff.
Hmm.
It says that you should fall into a routine. When you wake up, water your crops, boo some girls, harvest the mountain crops, mine, and sleep. Eventually, you may want to plant a few fields of grass, so clear some land in preparation for grass. With your extra stamina, chop the logs with your axe to gather some lumber. Note you cannot chop the tree stumps yet.
Yes.
Is that fun?
What?
Falling into that routine.
No.
That's the game. Just do that over and over.
And water the one square that doesn't have any.
I don't know. It might be fun getting there. Like,
Once you
being
do,
able to start that routine. I think that might be fun. But once you start it, and you do it every day, I don't know if that would be fun.
I wish the day was longer.
You've already been awake for an hour and a half.
And I've done nothing.
You watered some plants, some crops.
Well, once you get like golden tools, you can do shit really fast. But it just fucking takes forever.
You mean diamond tools?
No. Gold. I think gold is the highest level. I think.
Get the diamond pickaxe.
Yeah. This game is in many ways Minecraft. Or rather, Minecraft is in many ways this game. Except you can build shit.
There are some ideas that are similar, yeah. You can't marry and have a kid in Minecraft.
You could.
How?
Just not built into the game because there's no story. You can do anything in Minecraft. I know I don't need to get these, but she blushes, so deal with it.
I'm sure these help way more than the grass.
She's just like, oh, grass, that's cool. Thanks for the grass. Oh, I'll take this. It's an extra thing. And if she doesn't like me at the end, at least I got super built legs from running down this mountain every day.
Hey, you should start getting some of the stuff from the mountain and putting it in your trade box so you can make more money.
Mostly just flowers on the mountain. It's probably gone by now.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah.
Don't forget also that
Thanks.
before you can marry, you need to upgrade your house to the maximum.
Okay. So does she propose or do I propose to her?
Propose by buying a blue feather
Oh.
once she's reached red heart level, which is level 7. You're at level 2 right now.
Cool.
Yeah, this game makes things seem really
Easy.
Like, step 3.
Hey, you want to go out?
cow.
Oh no, you're only at level 2 right now. We can't go out, we're only at level 2. Hey, pink-haired chick.
Thank you.
Thank you. I like this very much. Okay,
Purple heart.
do you like farming? God damn it, when is she gonna do something?
It doesn't. You skipped it.
I didn't skip it.
Well, you kind of skipped it.
You mean earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't think the same thing's gonna happen again.
She's not gonna like us.
She already likes it. You're at purple heart.
Yeah, but
stage.
we rejected her, so she thinks we're in the friend zone.
You didn't reject her.
So yeah, but we were like, hey, she was like, hey, can I move in with you or whatever?
No, she didn't. She did not say that. She said, I want to leave the village. You don't want her to leave the village because there's an option later where she'll run away with Kai if you don't marry her.
So then how do I get her to do stuff?
You just gotta keep giving her presents. Don't forget, Thanksgiving is on the 14th. You need to have a dessert for her.
How do I get dessert?
Buy it.
Where from?
I guess supermarket.
I think I spent all my money.
Well, you need to go to the mountain and get stuff and put in your shipping thing or trading whatever.
I'll do that tomorrow. Where's is that supermarket?
We've got plenty of time now.
Yeah, but I'm closer to the supermarket. Well, it's probably right in the middle. Whatever.
Hey, look, it's bald lady.
Bald lady?
Yeah.
Who's nowhere near bald.
Well, she has hair, but on the sides of her head. The top of her head is bald.
Okay, where's desserts?
Dessert is that yellow thing, maybe?
Maybe.
In the middle.
Flour. I don't want this.
Nope.
No. No.
Hey, you have.
Thank
what?
you very
What?
much. You're
I hit
allowed-
fucking circle.
Good job.
Fuck this. What is this? Oil. I don't want this. I don't want this. It's stupid because you have to press X in order to advance. Don't buy. Everything you need for a cook. What? That should default to not buy. Because then I gotta fucking.
What is that?
Curry powder.
Oh.
This guy
Give
doesn't
her
sell
some-
shit all.
Give her the rice balls or something. Maybe rice balls count as dessert. What is the brown stuff in rice balls?
I have no idea.
I think it's like a little piece of paper that you use to hold it, isn't it?
Oh, so it's literally just a ball of rice.
It's a ball of rice with like a little napkin thing on it. I think. I thought that's what it always was.
That's not what she wants. She wants a cake or something.
So where do we get
Do you have to get her dessert?
You might have the
Yeah,
baker
but-
one.
Shit, hold on.
Who the fuck eats cake on Thanksgiving?
Thankful people.
Pie, yes, not cake.
Maybe they're thankful for cake.
Cheesecake at the inn, 250G.
There you
I can
go.
afford that.
Where's the
Apple
inn?
pie.
Is it the bar?
Yeah, the car.
Okay. Yeah, we're over time again. On the next episode,
We buy cake.
we buy a cake in preparation for,
Watch face.
yeah. So, toodles.
You don't do a takeout. Except I'm taking this and I'm going out.
There you go.
Alright.
Okay, you can't take it. So how are you supposed to take it?
Hold on, I'm working through this.
Alright, next time. Come back and we'll figure something out.